Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of iHerb app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of iHerb and you will click. Here in this page of app info you will click on Forcestop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.